Morning, children. Teacher Mike here. It is good to see you. I hope it is good to see me today. We're going to go ahead and get started with our calendar. So let's sing those months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months in the year, and there are 12 months in the year. Go ahead and tell me how many months are in the year. Yes, there are 12. And what month are we in right now? May. That's right, we're in May, and that's why there's an M right here. All right, let's do our days of the week. So let's throw up 3. No, let's throw up 7. There are 7 days in the week, you know. See if you can sing them. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's the end. Those are 7 days in the week. Yesterday was Monday, so today is Tuesday. That's right, Tuesday. Yesterday was a 4, so today will be a number 5. And my color pattern for May is going black, purple, orange, black, purple. So I need a purple color for my 5. There we go. So 5, is it odd or even? Yep, it's odd. So can we count to it by 2s? No, we cannot. But 5, we can count to 5 by 5s. So let me point to the numbers and then we'll count by 5s all the way to 5. Here we go. 5. That's it. So when we're counting by 5s, we only have to say one number if we're going to 5. Awesome. Let's come on over to our word wall. We have a new word of the day, so let's add it to the bottom. I'll write it up, and then we can spell it and read it together. Our word of the day is W-H-E-N, when. Let's spell it and read it together. W-H-E-N, when. Again, W-H-E-N, when. One more time, W-H-E-N, when. When. So you see, when starts with a W-H, and it's pronounced w, just as if the H wasn't there. This H is silent. So we have w-n, when. Sometimes words start W-H, and it just makes the w sound, okay? So let's come up with a sentence that has when in it. When is a great word to start a question with. So let me think of a question. When is dinner time? Let's count my words. When is dinner time? 4 words. So now it's your turn to come up with a sentence that uses when, and the challenge is to make it be a question today. Okay, so come up with a question that starts with when. All right. Next up, we're going to do some phonemic awareness, and this week we're practicing syllables. So before we start phonemic awareness, we're going to practice hickledy-pickledy-bumblebee, and we're going to clap some names. The number of claps for a name or a word is how many syllables are in the word. So when we clap them out, then we'll hold up how many fingers for the number of syllables. Let's start off. Hickety-pickety-bumblebee, won't you say this name with me? Antoine. Let's clap it. Antoine. 2 syllables. Hickety-pickety-bumblebee, won't you say this name with me? Ariana. Let's clap it. Ariana. 4 syllables. Awesome. Hickety-pickety-bumblebee, won't you say this name with me? Bo. 1 syllable. Very cool. Hickety-pickety-bumblebee, won't you say this name with me? Caleb. Let's clap it. Caleb. 2 syllables. Hickety-pickety-bumblebee, won't you say this name with me? Cairo. Let's clap it. Cairo. 2 syllables. Hickety-pickety-bumblebee, won't you say this name with me? Cole. Let's clap it. Cole. 1 syllable. Hickety-pickety-bumblebee, won't you say this name with me? Connor. Let's clap it. Connor. 2 syllables. Hickety-pickety-bumblebee, won't you say this name with me? Victor. Let's clap it. Victor. 2 syllables. Awesome. Very cool. So now we're going to do some words that are a little bit longer than our names. So let's see. I'll say the word, and then you can clap it out, okay? I'll show you the first one. Discover. Discover. 3 syllables. Next one you're going to do by yourself. I know you can do it. Submarine. Good. Camera. Good. Introduce. Good. Operate. Good. Alphabet. Good. Calculator. Good. Infection. Good. Subtraction. Good. Hospital. Nicely done, everybody. All right. Next up, let me get my phonemic awareness ready. I'm going to say 2 words. If they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, give me a thumbs down. Okay? Fiddle, middle. Thumbs up. Relish, return. Thumbs down. Wiggle, giggle. Thumbs up. Closet, closest. Thumbs down. You do the rest by yourself. Severe, 7. Trouble, double. Provide, collide. Limit, second. Knuckle, buckle. Travel, gavel. Awesome. Good job. All right. Next up, I am going to say a word. Wait. Oh, I'm sorry. I looked at the wrong paper. Give me a moment. Ooh, okay. So I'm going to say 2 words. If they start with the same first syllable, I want you to give me a thumbs up. If the first syllable is not the same, give me a thumbs down. Okay, so today I'll show you how to do it. So get our thumbs ready. We have, oops, let me go like that. We have indoors, unsafe. So the first syllable is in and un. Those are different. Thumbs down. Unbuckle, unfasten. They both start with un. Thumbs up. Unable, unaware. Both start with un. Recall, recheck. Both start with re. Release, uncover. Re and un are different. Thumbs down. Inside, indoors. Both start with in. Thumbs up. Uncooked, resell. Un and re are different. Disable, dislike. Both started with dis. Rewrap, reheat. Both started with re. Relearn, unlock. Re and un are different. Thumbs down. Very good, everybody. All right, next up is our sight words. So get your sight word shoulder, shake your sight word shoulder, shake your sight word shoulder, shake. I'll say the words first, and then you can say them after me. Our first word is when. Hey, that's a word of the day. Cool. So let's start again. When. Good. Can. Good. Said. Good. We. Good. Your. Good. All right, I'm going to mix them up now. I'm going to try to trick you. Do you think I can trick you? No, I don't think so either, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try. Here we go. Your. Good. Said. Good. When. Good. We. Good. Can. Very good. All right. We're going to go through them one more time, but I'm not going to say them. You got to say them by yourself. Here we go. Good. 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 All right, we did our sight words. Fantastic. Next up is a little joke I got just for you today. So this joke is called, or it starts with, what kind of dog is good at chemistry? Say, I don't know what. A Labrador Retriever. Because a Labrador Retriever is a type of dog, and then chemistry is done in a laboratory. So Labrador Retriever, the emphasis is on lab. So I'll say it one more time, and then you can tell your family, so you can give them a joke. What kind of dog is good at chemistry? I don't know what. A Labrador Retriever. All right, make sure to emphasize lab. Okay, you got it. All right, next up, I want to do a little math word problem. So some of us have practiced these, but I want to make sure everybody gets a chance. So a word problem is kind of like a story, and then we can turn it into a math equation. So it's kind of fun. For you to do at home, you can use a blank piece of paper and a pencil, or a colored pencil or crayon or pen, whatever you have. I'm going to use a whiteboard and a marker so that you can see it. You probably don't have a whiteboard and a marker. That's totally fine. You can use a paper and a pencil. It works great. So I'm going to draw a little picture of my word problem and then show you how to turn it into an equation. Okay? So let me do it like this. So our word problem is our little story. Dave had 5 apples and Sally had 4 apples. How many apples did they have together? Okay, so we have 2 people, Dave and Sally. So let's draw a picture of Dave. I'm just going to do a stick figure. That's Dave. Dave, what's the first sound of Dave? D. All right, a D. That's his first initial. So that's Dave and Sally. Let's write Sally over here. What's the first sound of Sally? Yes, let's write an S. So this is Dave and this is Sally. So Dave has 5 apples. I'm going to draw 5 apples right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see these aren't perfect apples, but I know that they're apples because they're a circle with a little stem on it. So Dave has 5 apples. Sally has 4 apples. So we need to draw 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And then the question is, how many apples do they have together? How can we figure this out? There's a few ways we can do it. First, we can just count all the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So there's 9. We could count them, or we could add them together. We could use our fingers to add them together. So we have, let me see, how can I prop this up? Let's go like this. We can use our fingers. We can have 5 apples for Dave and 4 apples for Sally, and we can count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. We got 9 again. All right. Well, there's lots of ways we can do it. Cool. So we got 9 both ways. So let's write a 9 over here. There we go. Now, I want to make an equation. So for an equation, we need to turn these into numbers. So this is 5 apples. Let's write number 5. 5. This is 4 apples. Let's write number 4. 4. And then our last number was 9. That was how many total apples we had. 9. So we're combining 5 and 4, right? So do you think we're adding them together or subtracting them? Yeah, we're adding them. So we need the addition sign, plus. So 5 plus 4. And then they make 9. When we combine 5 and 4, it makes 9. So we have a symbol for that. It's called the equal sign. It looks like this. Then we can read our equation. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay? That's how we did it. So Dave had 5 apples. Sally had 4 apples. Altogether, there were 9 apples. And then our equation is 5 plus 4 equals 9. Very cool. Now, I have an equation. I have a story for you to do without me. So this is the little story I have for you. So I want you to listen to the words and the numbers I use, and then you can write it down on your piece of paper and then figure out the answer. So, Teacher D has 12 bananas, and Danny the dolphin has 4 bananas. How many bananas do they have together? That's the question. So I want you to draw it out. So you need to draw a picture of Teacher D and 12 bananas. And then Danny the dolphin. So draw a picture of Danny the dolphin and 4 bananas. And then figure out how many bananas do they have together. After you figured out how many bananas they have together, turn it into an equation with numbers. So you'll need number 12 and you'll need a number 4. And then figure out, do you need to use a plus sign? Do you need to use an equal sign? What do you need? I want you to try to figure it out, okay? So I'm going to read it one more time, And then that'll be the end of my video. So then after the video, you can write all this out on your paper. And then if you send me a picture of your paper, then I can give you some feedback on it. All right, so Teacher D has 12 bananas. And Danny the Dolphin has 4 bananas. How many bananas do they have together? All right, I hope you have fun with that, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.